So this is for Lab 8, the isolation of casein protein from milk. Using the original sample was using low fat or skim milk. It was a powdered milk that we added water to. So I've got the data table here, and I also have the final product here. I don't know if you can really see on the inside, you've got the dried casein protein. So on this one, once we isolated it and let it dry overnight, it came out with 4.8% protein that was in the low-fat milk. And of course, this is using the mass of the casein and the mass of the milk to calculate that percentage. And it's kind of like a yellow-white film at the bottom of the filter. We deducted the filter weight out of the weight of the final product. Now, for the second sample, I just so happened to use casein protein as a supplement, a protein supplement after I go to the gym, or I don't know. I'm trying to do better, I guess. Anyway, but I do use casein protein. So what I did was for the second sample, comparative sample, I used the casein milk. Basically, it was the same thing. I took this product, added the water to it, and followed the experiment the exact same way as I did with the low-fat milk. And isolated the protein out of that. Now, the only thing is this is a chocolate flavor, so I don't know if the chocolate in the product would affect the outcome of the percentage of casein protein, because it is based on weight. So I don't know if that would be considered like a contamination because it does have chocolate in it. But either way, here is the final product. As you can see, it's easier to see because of the chocolate, that's for sure, because it's colored. But it has way more sample after it was filtered left over than the milk. So just as an educated guess, I guess that would tell you that it does have way more of the casein in the product than milk by itself does. But I did calculate actual percentages, and for the second one, I came out with 13% protein, casein protein specifically. So that is a lot more, quite a bit more than the just regular low-fat milk, which is supposed to be. So I would hope so. Let's see, did they put? I don't know. This doesn't really. I guess if I wanted to know, like, is that what it's supposed to be? I could look, and it says there's 30 grams per serving of the casein protein. I don't know how that would have to, do the math to translate that into percentages, and is it really what it says it is based on the calculations I got and percentages I got? But that would be something separate. But anyway, this is a very interesting lab. I did enjoy it, and thank you very much.